What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this GMC Smart Key remote fob. This GMC key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this kind of little notch right here. What I'm going to do is push the emergency key in that notch and then use the emergency key to pry up on this back cover. So in this little horizontal notch right here, I'm going to push my key in there and then just pry up like that on the back cover. Once we get the back cover off, we see our battery right here in the cover. And if you grab yourself a screwdriver or even something just with a point on it, you can use it just to help get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Then we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down on the back cover, plus side down. Snap it into place, and then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.